the first time to come to our factory. And after checking our factory yesterday, what do you think our factory?
It's a very genuine company. They have welcomed me very nice. Yeah, very good hospitality. I like it. I like it. Very good company. It's very genuine. Also, we went to the factory. We went. We came to the offices. They are very good people. Yeah.
Okay.
And before you and when we have a communication in WhatsApp and you have didn't problem because you are treated in the time after you checking our factory, you think we are a very powerful factory. Yeah.
Yeah. After I was seated from one of the steel companies. And I was very worried that maybe all the companies they are not genuine in China. So and here I find out that Lionkar for sure. It's very genuine company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. And after in future, after we can have more business for you. And if I have chance, I must go to Zambia have visit your company.
Yeah. No, you are very welcome.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
want this friendship to continue.
Yeah.
I really appreciate. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Okay.